Hey guys, I hope that you're doing well. My name is Smma, and for an entire year, I'm doing one YouTube video per day related to Smma. Alright, so if you have any questions, guys, you can ask me on my Instagram because every Friday I'm doing a poll on my story. And so, whatever questions that you have about your own agency, you can ask it to me on my Instagram, and I will make a video for you answering your question. And that video will help other beginners as well. Alright. So for this video, guys, I wanted to talk about what I wish I knew before to start my own social media marketing agency. And before to start this video, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and make sure that you activate the notifications so you don't miss any of those videos, all right? But I'm doing one video per day, so you can go back to this channel every single day, basically. But most of the people that are watching me aren't subscribed to this channel. But most of the people that are watching me aren't subscribed to this channel, about 60%. So make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, all right? And so for this video, what I wish I knew before to start my own Smma, the first thing, guys, is to not do free trials. I wish somebody told me that free trials are useless, all right? Free trials are just a shortcut. Free trials are just a shortcut, and it won't work. You won't sign any client. If you sign a client after a free trial, honestly, you are very, very lucky. But the problem is not free trial, all right? The problem is that you don't have a team in order to deliver the service, all right? So free trials, honestly, what are you going to do? Are you going to learn Facebook ads for 1 year in order and provide 10 free trials, not getting paid, just working for free, being you will be disgusted about Smma. Honestly, I can tell you this. I've done 3 free trials before to get my first client, and I got my first client because I refused to do a free trial. Like the business owner told me, "Hey, can you do a free trial?" I said no, and she said basically, "All right, we can start working together." So that's why I'm really against free trial, and I wish I knew that I don't need to do free trials in order to sign my first client. I wish I knew that I need to build a team, all right? I need to build processes. I need to think in terms of systems. It's not just about Facebook ad, it's about the whole. It's about getting clients. I knew how to sell. I knew how to get the meetings, I knew how to sell, but I didn't know how to provide the services because I didn't have a team. I didn't have clear processes. So I went to the client and I signed him, and he's like, "Okay, what's now?" And yeah, I asked him, "Okay, oh yeah, what's now?" I don't even know myself because I didn't have clear processes. So before to onboard a client, make sure that you have clear processes and clear systems in place in order to onboard them, all right? The other thing that I wish I knew is to not give up on Smma. So, I've started Smma for about 3 months at the beginning, and then I went to dropshipping. This was a terrible mistake because I lost a lot of money on dropshipping because you need a lot of capital. And I wasn't, I did Smma, then I did dropshipping. This is the best way that nothing will work. So this was a big, big mistake, and I really regret it. But I learned how to do Facebook ads for e-commerce businesses, and so I don't regret it after all. But again, this was stupid. I had the best thing that I should have done is to focus entirely on Smma for 2 years without stopping. If you focus on Smma for 2 years, you are absolutely certain to make it because it's a proven business model. But you need to learn how to sell. You need to learn how to negotiate. You need to learn how to think in terms of processes. You need to think in terms of a whole, all right? It's not just about Facebook ads, guys. Like, trust me. It's about the whole. It's about being great at service delivery, being great at building a team, being great at managing people, being great at selling, being great at generating meetings. So again, something that I wish I knew is building a process to generate meetings right from the beginning. The most important thing is to generate meetings. If you get the meetings, you get the clients. And I wish I knew that. I wish I knew that I should be focusing on all sources. I should be doing emails. I should be doing phone calls. I should be focusing on sales every single day until I get at least 5 clients. Like, honestly, if you're watching this and you don't have any clients, just focus on sales for 1 to 2 months. But before you focus on sales, make sure that you're customer centric. So make sure that you have that you know how to get them results, you know how to onboard them, you know how to get paid, all right? You know how to sign an electronic contract. This seems futile, but this is very important, all right? And I wish I knew also that I get paid first. Like, this is very important. Like, always get paid first. Like, never do a work for a client without getting paid. Even if they tell you, oh, we will be paying you at the end of the month. No. You are getting paid right now, all right? Because the problem is that if you have a team and you tell your team that you will pay them at the end of the month, and you do the work, all right, this is a true story, you do the work, and at the end of the month, the client don't want to pay you, then you need to pay your team, and this is very bad. You are losing money, even if you bring great results for the client. So this is a true story, all right? This is what I wish I knew. So this is about it, guys. I don't have anything in mind. This is the most important. Just think in terms of systems, and also just one thing, like, just be a maniac, just be obsessed on SMMA. Don't go, do drop shipping as I did. Like, be obsessed on this one thing, all right? And make it work. Like, you can make it work. It's a proven business model. It's not like you're trying to build Amazon. You're building a marketing agency, something that has been around for a lot of years, for 20 years, for even more. Like, marketing has been, what I say, like, okay, digital marketing agency have been around here for about 20 years, like soon, because Facebook, even 10 years. Like, this is so new, even because Facebook, because of Instagram, because of Twitter, because of TikTok soon. So this is very new, but marketing has been around for a lot of years, with newspapers, with radio, with TV, and it's a proven business model. You can make money with marketing. It's not like you're trying to build Tesla, for example, or something that is absolutely new and a new technology. You're trying to build something that is proven. So the only way that you can fail is if you quit, all right? So don't quit. Focus on this just one thing. Get paid first, always. What else to summarize? What else did I tell you guys? So yeah, get paid first. Be obsessed on it, and yeah, it should work. If you don't give up, it will work. All right, that's what I want to tell you guys. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you want to learn how to start and grow your own social media marketing agency, I've done a 1-hour free training covering absolutely everything. All right, sales, niche, team building, systems and processes, Facebook ads, and project management. So if you have if you want to start and grow your own social media marketing agency, you can go watch this 1-hour free training, and I will put the link in the description. All right, and again, guys, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you can do it, and you can follow me on Instagram. So take care, and I will see you in another video.